Welcome to another video. I'm actually here at the salon. Yay! Finally, after more than 2 years, ngayon lang ako makakapag-salon. Nakatakot din kasi, syempre pag nasa labas ka. Yee! But anyway, maybe I'll have my hair trimmed or color or highlight. We'll see. Okay? Okay, so I'm now waiting for my turn. Wala naman masyadong tao, so I feel safe naman. I think parang there's just 3 of us here na clients, and then of course yung gumagawa ng hair nyo. But everyone's wearing their mask, so I feel safe naman. So there, I'll show you. There. See, walang tao nga eh, which is good kasi it's weekday, so I guess mas okay yung punta ko kasi nga less people. So there. Anyway, I'll just wait for my turn.
A few minutes later.
Yay, finally, it's my turn. So, anyway, he suggested to just have my hair trimmed para ma-define yung layers, and then he'll color like, and he'll do highlights actually. He'll just do highlights para lang may something new kasi wala na rin yung color ng hair ko. But anyway, I'll just show you the process and I'll just see you later, I guess. Okay, bye! Anyway, I'm just waiting because they're already done doing the highlights. So, ayan, look at my hair. All covered with foil. But, anyway, so usually, of course, it will take a few more minutes pa. So, I'll just wait, I guess. And, yun. We will see. Hope it's nice. Tagal ko nang hindi naggaganto. So, but anyway, I'll see you again later. Let's see. Bye for now.
1 eternity later.
Anyway, thank you for watching.